So welcome this afternoon. We will talk about making an interactive welcome video using H5p. So I guess every one of you log in already your MySoul account. So kindly open your MySoul account and then choose a dummy course. One dummy course so that we can add interactive welcome video using H5p. So to make an interactive video using H5p, so in this case, so we have two processes to do that. So first, we are going to have the finished product in video. It could be .mp4 or any file extension will do. So in that case, you will only add interactions using H5p. So for this part, so I will just go to my MySoul account. You need to pick one dummy course. Okay, in my case, I will pick Empowerment Technologies. So kindly click your one dummy course. So in this case, we open the Empowerment Technologies 101A. So in order to have an interactive welcome video, of course, we need to put that in our introduction video or introduction section rather. So kindly click your introduction. So this is the introduction section. So if you scroll down, okay, so you have a specific content regarding your introduction, but in this part, we need to have an interactive welcome video. So you need to have a fixed and final output for your welcome video. And in that case, if you have that video, we will just add simply interactions in the form of inserting a text, an image, or a link. So to this, in this moment, so we scroll down our introduction section, and then we will just click the create learning activity. This is just like a shell for our welcome video. So we will click create learning activity. And in that case, we have activities section or activities tab. So we will locate or we will click the interactive content. So click the interactive content, that is H5p. So after clicking to that, again, this is just a shell, okay, of your interactive welcome video. So which means you will add images, text, or link to it. So you scroll down and then you choose interactive video. You click interactive video, and then in that case, we have a series of steps. But in this part, to make an interactive welcome video, we will follow only two steps. So first one is we need to embed or upload a video. So again, take note, this is a finished video. So our task is just only to add interactions to it. So just click the plus icon, and then you can upload a video in the form of uploading that through your computer, or upload a video file from your computer, and then the other is from the link coming from your YouTube or other websites. So in this case, I will just upload a video file coming from my computer. So I will click this icon, and then I will choose the video. Where is the location of that video? And then click the video, and then open the video. So open means upload the video. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, so make it sure that in this part, you need to have your own video, a fixed welcome video. Again, it could be in any file format, but as long as it is a video format, file format. So in this case, so we are done with uploading our video. So next, we click the interactive video, and then we will name that particular video. So example here, we have MTech. Okay, MTech welcome video. So MTech welcome video. So in this case, let's see, I will just put it MTech welcome video 101. This is the title of the video. And then you can have the poster image. Okay, this is optional. Okay, but still, if you want to have an image, so kindly click that one, click the plus icon or add icon, and then click that one, and then choose a specific image. It could be any image file format. So I will choose this one. This is in PNG. So I will just upload it and open. So in that case, it is uploaded, the poster image. And then if you scroll down, you can see the behavioral settings. If you click the behavioral settings, there are functions. So in this case, you just scroll down, and then we will just check the show button for rewinding 10 seconds, and then prevent skipping forward in a video. So that means that they need to have from start, okay, from start to finish. So that is, they will not have the function of just simply go to a specific minutes or duration. So in that case, prevention. So we will prevent skipping forward in a video. So again, but they have also option. There is a button that says rewind every 10 seconds. So you can check the two options. And then after that, if you scroll up, you can see now the first is you upload. As you notice, you upload the video, the finished video, and then you have you have now the name of the video, and then you have the specific image. Again, an image is an optional, okay? And then we go to behavioral settings. You just check the show button for rewind 10 seconds and then prevent skipping forward in a video. So now let's add interactions to it. So kindly click add interactions. The step 2 is add interactions. In adding the interactions, okay, if you take a look in this part, to add interactions, you need to have the preview of the duration. Okay, you need to specify the duration of the time, display the time of your interactions in the form of label, text, link, or image. So as you notice, if you add interactions, you can see now your example poster image. Okay, you have here example image, poster image. So now we will add interactions to it. So you need to play your video. So example in here, I have a welcome video. Okay. So example, I have example if we want to insert an image, so we will just click the add interactions and then click the image icon. Okay. So if we want to add an image, so kindly click that one, image icon. And then as you notice here, okay, as you notice here, this is the display time. So this means that this is the duration that text or that the image or the text or the URL will appear. So in this case, this is in seconds. So this is 0 colon, and then I will just type here, let example, I will reflect it 3 seconds. So I will just click the 3, and then the duration, okay? So the duration in this part, I will just have it by, let's say, let's have 15 or 15 seconds, or you can have that as long as this is based from your video, how long it will appear in that video. So example, I have here, we have 7. Example, we have 7 seconds. So from 3, the start of appearing of the image, from 3 seconds, then at the end is we have 7 seconds. And then you have the option to pause a video. Okay, but again, this is not a very important case because we will not post the video. So it will just only appear in 3 seconds until 7 seconds. So in this part, the image part is in poster. So that is in poster, and then we will add image to it. So example, to add an image, click the plus, or this pertains to the add icon. So click the add. So in clicking the add, please choose the image you want to insert. So in this case, I will just insert this one, a smiley face or emoticon. So I can click that image and then open. So in that case, that is the image, okay? And then I will just click done. Click the done. So this is now inserting an interactive in the form of image. But again, this image is in GIF, so it moves. So I will just resize it by just clicking the particular interaction, which is in the form of image. Just click that one, and then you can just adjust it by the borders. So example, I will just adjust it to this part. So I will just move by dragging and then drop. Okay. So in this part, this is the location of the image or the interaction. And then if you want to preview, okay, so this is the preview looks like if you are adding an image interactions. So if you want to preview that one, so let's preview. Okay, so in that case, you add a specific icon to that video. So again, the important thing in adding is you just have the timing when it will be show, or uh, it will hide a particular image or text. So in this part, okay, so in this part, we will add now a label. Okay, add now the label. So to add a label, just click this part, click this icon, the minus icon. And then if you click that, it will go to the label interaction. So in this part, you need to encode, example here, I will just encode my name. So again, we have a limitation regarding the font style, the font size, the emphasis or bold or underline. So we will just input plain text in the label. So in that case, we have here our text, and then we just simply locate the interaction, the timing of the interaction. So let's appear that by let's say let's put it in this is depend from your video. So example, I put it 5 seconds. So 0 until 8. So okay, and then we will not post it. Okay, we will not post the video. So it will appear. So we will just click the done. Okay, so in this part, okay, we will preview. So example, we have here, okay, from 3 seconds, the image will appear. Okay, and then we have here, so we have the label interaction. So to add again, just click your label interaction and then put it or anything assign your location. So this is based from your location. So again, we have limited functionality when it comes to adding a specific text. We cannot change the font style, font size, but we can just add emphasis to it, like bold, underline, and so on. So in this part, we have, as you notice, we have the image interaction, and then we have the label interaction. So again, so to add another interaction, so we will just simply click. So in this case, we have image, and then we've done with the label. So example, if we want to have a text, okay, what will text looks like? So for example, again, this is just a series of previewing your video. So you need to have a perfect timing when will be the text or the link or the label will appear in your video. So for example here, we have here, okay, okay. So in that case, you can also add another label. Again, that is to add another label. And then you just simply type the text, okay, and then you can just simply add. So in this case, we have here that this is in the label format or interaction. So in this part, we have here the name, and then we have the nickname. So in this part, this is in the label interaction. So now we will add next. Okay, so here, so you can add interactions right away if you know the specific displaying time. Okay, so in this part, I will add interactions in the form of text, the T icon there. So we're done with the image, we have the label, and last is we have the T, or that stands for text. So first, okay, we will click the interactions, and then this is in the form of text. So first is we need to have the display time. So example, in this case, I will let it appear in 33 seconds, and then and the end is example 40 seconds. So in this case, you have an option. If this will appear, so you can pause the video. Okay, this is in the text format. So we have the displaying time, so start and end, and then this have the post video. So if it is 33 seconds, it will post the video, and then it will display as a click symbol or a click icon. So this is in the form of button. And if you want that to display right away, so you can choose the poster. So in this part, I will choose the button. And then if I click that one, the button, so the label, you should label it like, example, we have uh, empowerment, empowerment technology or technologies. So this is the label is empowerment technologies. And then we have the text. So example, we have the course, okay, we have the course description. We have the course description, okay. So in this part, we have the course or the subject or the course description. So if you're done with that, so just click the done. So as you notice, this is the text interaction. So we have the label empowerment technologies, and once it is clicked, it will appear the course description to it. So you need to have the proper placement of that case. So again, it's still previewing. So let's just click. Okay. So, so in this case, we need to have a perfect timing. So in this case, I will just give it. So if you want to edit, we can see here the edit icon. Okay, this is our label interaction, or let's say text interaction rather. So we will just click the edit part, and then we will just edit the time. So the time it will appear. So example, we have 35. Okay. I hope it has a perfect timing. So let's click it done. So in this case, we will just preview it. Okay. So in that case, that is in the text interaction. Okay. So in this case, we will add the link. Okay. Another interaction is the link. So click the link icon, and then if you click that link icon, make it sure it requires the display time appear, the start time appear, and then we have the end. Okay, the time will disappear a specific link, text or image. So example, we have 0:57 seconds, and then you have the title of the link. So example, this is so okay. So in this part, so we will just put the URL title. So example, we have here course description. Let's say we not no the let's say this is content. This URL contains the course syllabus, and then type your URL address. So from this case, I will just simply add. I will just know the specific URL of my course syllabus. Okay. So in this case, example. This is an example. Example, if you want to link that URL to YouTube, so just click, just encode the URL address to YouTube youtube.com. So example, I post my course curriculum in youtube.com. So you need to specify the correct URL for that YouTube channel that you display specific your course syllabus. So this is the URL of your course syllabus. And then you have option to pause. Okay, you can click that one. So if it's 4:47, it will be reflected, the link, and then you click it done. So as you notice here, this is the icon for the link interaction. You can see this one. So make it sure, okay, so make it sure this is a perfect timing. So let's preview it. Okay, so you have a perfect timing. So example, I will just give it, if you want to edit, just click the interaction and then you can click it, you can edit it by just simply clicking the pencil icon. So pencil icon, and then you can just adjust the time. So example, it's 45 seconds. It will appear in 45 seconds, and then this is the duration or the end. And then don't forget you have the URL address. So in this part, you can still preview. Okay. Okay. So that is one. Okay. Interaction for the link. So in this case, you will notice that here we will just need to upload our video, our finished video or welcome video. And then we will just simply add interactions in the form of label. So in the form of label, text, and then we have the link, and then the image. So that's how you add interaction to have a welcome video or to have a welcome video interaction. So you will just simply provide first your, let's say, if you have a fixed video like a specific script, or you just make a finished video output, and then you will just simply upload that one to H5p, and then you will add interactions in the form of label, text, link, and image. So that's how you make an interactive video. So please make it sure that every interactive, like example here, we have an image interaction. You can just simply edit any interactive. It could be label, text, URL. You can just edit it by just simply clicking the edit or the pencil icon. If you click pencil icon, don't forget, start with the display time. The start appear and then disappear. And then you have the power to stop the video. So if this particular image is appear in 3 seconds, it will stop. Okay, it will stop if you click the pause video. Okay, and then here, so that's it, and then click the done part. So if you are satisfied with the edit portion in that image interaction, and then in another, so we have the label. So particularly this is displaying text. And then if you can preview it to another, we have here, this is in the form of text, meaning you will post a specific title of the text, and then you can display additional information. And then the last interaction is we have the URL. So this is the form of the URL, and you can just simply edit this one by just simply click and then again edit. And then you have the title of that URL. So example, that is course syllabus, and then your exact URL. Again, every interactions, you need to have the display time. So you need to have a perfect timing to do that. Okay, so once you're done with your adding of interaction, So it's your choice to have a clear a clear view of that adding interaction. So you need to rewind it or preview your interaction first before you display that welcome video in your course. So example, in my case, this is already done. So this is the I'm done with the adding of interactions. So we will just post it. Okay. So to after adding an interaction, let us just scroll down, and then we have here. Okay. Okay, it's done. So I guess it's done already. So we save and return to course. So again, we cannot save because we have no title for this activity in H5p. So example, I will have MTech, welcome message. So MTech welcome message. So this is the title of the H5p activity. But in this part, we will use this particular function in order to display our welcome video to our learners. So this is just, don't forget, this is just only the shell. Okay. So you save and return to course. So in this part, okay, let's scroll down. And then as you notice, okay, as you notice, you have here MTech a welcome message. So again, this is just a plain, okay, this is just a plain shell of your welcome video. So in this case, I will just click the MTech welcome message. So again, this is just the shell. So we will just wait for a while. As you notice here, this is our shell. As we notice, we have empowerment welcome video. That is the text, or that is the title of the video. And then we set also the background. That is the poster image. So that's it. And then we will just preview it. So in my case, I will preview. So in this case, I will, if I am the student, I cannot fast forward the video, but I will just simply rewind it by the icon. You can see this one. This is the rewind icon every 10 seconds. So in this part, if I will just go back, so I will rewind it to 10 seconds. So in this part here, okay, interactions only. So label, that is label. So we have here. Okay, so in this part, this is the text interaction. So if I click the text or I click this icon, it will give me the course description. Okay, the course description. And then if I will close it or the X mark, and then I will just proceed to the next interaction. Okay, so this is now the link icon. If I will click this one, this will redirect to a new tab that is in YouTube. Example, that is in YouTube. If I click that one, it will go direct to the YouTube account. So in short, in the course syllabus, you need to specify the correct URL or the location of that particular file. Okay, so in this part, we just simply making an interactions with this part. So we need to have this interaction, okay, displayed in a specific example in the form of label. Okay, so how to do that? To reuse our H5p activity and to just make it a simple video in we can just attach it as a label. So to do that, we will just uh, embed the code or reuse. So example, if I will embed the code, so I will click this one, embed the code, and then I will just copy this particular code. So I will just copy, for example here, we'll just copy Control A and then Control C. So if I want this particular H5p interaction that display in my course, so I will just click the introduction part, and then I will just scroll down, and then I will just scroll down in interaction part. I will just add create learning activity, and then resources, and then I will click the label. Click the label. In this case, we need to embed the code. This is the first step, or this is another way. Okay, so we will click the label, and then we will click the arrow down, and then click the HTML code or the HTML icon. Click that one, and then you place your cursor, and then Control V, or just paste your embed code. So this is the example, the embed code for H5p, the one we are making an interactive welcome video, and then just save and return to course. So just save and return to course, and then automatically it will display right away the video itself. Okay, so this is the one I'm talking about. If you just simply embed the code, so you can see this part. So if you want to move, again, we have the arrow icon, and then we will move it. Like example here, we move it here. So automatically it will display the video itself. Okay, the other way around, again, if you take a look, our interactive content is just only the shell. Okay, so the other step is just we will just simply click the mtech welcome message, and then we've done with the embed code. We will reuse. Example, we will reuse. Okay, the other way around is to reuse. So example, you click the reuse. So in here, you click the download as H5p file. So click the download as .h5p file, and then it is automatically downloaded the code for the H5p. So that is our mtech welcome video. We will click create learning activity, and then resources, and then we go to label again, and then here, as you notice in the label resource, we can see the H5p icon. So you just simply click that icon, H5p, and then it will lead you, or it will ask you upload a H5p file. So we need to browse our H5p file, browse, and then we will locate our location for our H5p file. And then, for example, here we have, it is located in the desktop. So we have here interactive video. So example here, we have, this is the file of H5p for a welcome message. Then we will just simply open and then upload. Okay, it's still, okay. So in this part, the H5p file is done. So we will insert the H5p. So insert the H5p and then save and return to course. So let's say, okay. So this, the same output will do the same display if you embed the code or just simply reuse the code. So that is adding the interactive welcome video for a specific course. So in this case, do you have questions or clarifications in making an interactive video? Okay. Okay, this is from Mom Freslin. Hi, Sir Fred. After we either reuse or embed, can we delete the original source? In this part, Mom, okay, it's your choice to reuse or embed the code. But again, in the H5p, this is the H5p activity is just only the shell, so you can hide it or delete it. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
It doesn't affect
Yeah,
your
thank you,
video.
sir.
Uh, so do you have another question? Okay. If there's no more question, so kindly have the evaluation form. Kindly fill up that one. Okay. So thank you very much. Again, I'm Fredlie Bucog. This is this is making a welcome or interactive welcome video. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you. Bye.